Hold on.
Alright, it's on. It's recording.
Hold on.
Alright, I'm JT the Dragon, and there's the brother I'm about to scare.
Is that dragon gonna get you, man? Sammy to the rescue! God love me. Alright, that's enough. Say, bad dragon, come! Get dragon, go! Go get him, Sammy. Go get the dragon. Run him off. Hurry! Don't hiss anymore. You're scaring this baby. Save brother, go get him. Get the dragon.
Help! Help!
The dragon's got JT's, Christopher.
Ah! Help! Help! Help!
Now.